Good afternoon, John again. Well, I'm at it again here. Didn't go kayaking. It's not too hot. It's like 77, but it's the humidity. My humidity thing over there says 99. I think that's a little high, but it feels pretty high. But here I'm at making doors again, and my little Bosch lamp works nice on the table saw. My eyeballs are getting bad, but anyhow, here's some more doors for the bathroom upstairs. I'm just got them all mortised, and I think they call this a bridal mortise and tenon, I believe is the name of it. I've always liked this. I made all the doors in the laundry room and in the basement, kitchen, upstairs. I've made a lot of these. I kind of like them. I like being able to see the joint. It's a strong joint. It's really a strong joint, and I just like the beauty of. It takes a while, but I just like the beauty of seeing the joint. You see there. But I was using the bandsaw again, the old Inca. I don't think they make these Incas anymore. Boy, I like this one. It's lightweight. I made this basswood base for it years ago with the walnut pegs, and I see my grandpa's dynamite case. he had a general store. It says dynamite. It's got a lock on it. It's finger jointed. Keep out. But I don't know if that leather would keep you out. But yeah, he had a general store back in the day down in Missouri. He would well, let's see, he was born in 1901. He died he was only 67, so I guess I've got another year left. Yeah, he died of a massive heart attack. But there was one old timer that came in. They sold dynamite in the general store. They used to use it to blow up stumps and I think beaver ponds, or beaver dams, I should say. But this one old timer came in and wanted to stick a dynamite. He was going to blow a stump, and my grandpa says, "No, you don't need that much. You only need like a quarter stick." He goes, "No, give me a whole full stick." So pretty soon he comes back and he's buying building materials, nails. You know, they had the old nail kegs, the old wooden nail kegs, and I forget the guy's name, but my grandpa said, "Mr. So-and-so, what do you need now?" And he goes, "Well," he says, "I should have listened to you." He said, I used the full stick and blew the stump out all right, but he says it flew over and went through the roof of my house." I may have told that story a little different than my dad used to tell it. My dad told it several times, but I think I got it right. At any rate, he should have listened to my grandpa. But alrighty, so I'm gonna get back at it here, and maybe I may sit a while and drink some coffee. But anyhow, these are making some progress here on the. And speaking of the river, according to the gauge online, it's not going up like I thought. In fact, it's already crested and it's heading back down. I'm gonna probably be out tomorrow, so I'll get a little better idea if it's going up or down. You know, sometimes it takes a day for the water that rained elsewhere to come in and raise the river, but I'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll be out tomorrow. I think it's only 25% chance of rain tomorrow, but the rain that we had the rest of today with the 5 inches, I think it was 5 1/8 is what we got here in my rain gauge. So all right, you all have a good one. God bless.